Good morning. I welcome you to Eureka channel, A Moment with Rukwaru. This morning, I'm going to discuss some few psychological behavior which end up having a lasting impression or lasting impact in our everyday life. This morning, I would like to discuss a phenomenon called the abandoned cat phenomenon. Now, when a cat has been abandoned and later somebody pick it or somebody adopt it, it is likely to change the behavior. Because when it was abandoned, there was a lot of trauma. There was a lot of loneliness, a lot of feeling that the world has come to an end. And so, when the cat has been adopted or another person get it and possess it, the cat is likely to change its behavior from the previous behavior. The cat is likely to always remember the abandonment. And so what is it going to have on the impact on behavior? It's going to become withdrawn, is going to lose confidence, and it will not overreact. It will become extremely submissive, which was not its original character. And you see now, when we try to use the cat abandonment effect when it comes to human beings can be abandoned. It can be through death, it can be through relationship, it can be through job loss. And when one encounters these losses, one is likely to be affected in terms of behavior. The aspect of confidence is going to be affected. The trauma is going to follow this person. And there is high likelihood the person is likely going to become submissive, and on the process, people can take advantage over this person. They are likely to over-control the person because the person will not have confidence to say no. The person will not have confidence of giving his own or her own ideas. The person will always be saying a yes person because of the past memories. And so what am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say, using the abandonment cat effect, it is important, despite the experiences you have gone through, might it be a broken relationship, might it be a job loss, or might it be other losses, it's important for you to really own to a crowd. It is important for you also to talk, also to stick to boundaries so that people don't take advantage of you because of your past memories or your past experiences. So it's important for you to be always remembering the abandoned cat effect, because it has got significant part in our lives. So please, no matter what experiences you have gone through, the experiences which may not have been very good, it is important for you not to be traumatized, not to allow people to take advantage, and then you end up submitting to them because you remember the past memories which was not good. Thank you very much. I hope this abandoned cat effect is going to help you in your everyday life. Thank you. It's Muteru Kwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach. Have a great day.